Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to make video calls on WhatsApp web. Why would you want to know how to make video calls on WhatsApp web? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp web and not sure how to make video calls on WhatsApp web. So today I am going to show you how to make video calls on WhatsApp web. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Making video calls on WhatsApp web is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will make video calls on WhatsApp web. If you are using WhatsApp web in your browser, then it's not possible to video call with anyone. So first of all, download WhatsApp in your device, and you can easily download it from Microsoft Store. And now open your WhatsApp. Here is my WhatsApp home screen, and then open any chat. And now in this window click on video call, and now your video call has been started. So there you go. If you were wondering how to make video calls on WhatsApp web, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.